If you've changed the settings on your iPhone from the default to something else custom, but you've messed up your camera, it's just not taking the photos that it used to, you can always reset it back to just the factory default. I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up the settings here on your iPhone. We'll do everything in the settings. So once you've opened up that settings app, let's first just scroll down and you can see under Apple Intelligence, let's tap on camera here. Now within here, you'll be able to see a lot of different settings that can get fairly complicated. Now you have two different options, both of which are not great options. The first one is that you can go in here and just try to bring everything back to normal. So on any different things like preserve settings, we want to turn this all off. So on preserve settings, turn everything off so that every time you open the camera app again, it just goes back to the factory default. So make sure everything on here is turned off. But then on other stuff, we can go to, for instance, formats and make sure we change everything back to what we think are factory default or turn everything off. However, there's not one option to reset your camera settings back to factory default, but there is an option if we go back to the very beginning. Now, at the very beginning of your settings, you can see general towards the bottom. Let's just tap on that. And now from here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And at the very bottom, you'll see reset. Just tap on reset. And now this is the annoying part. The only option to reset your camera settings is to reset all your settings across your entire settings on your iPhone. So you can tap on reset all settings, enter your password in here, and then go through this process. You might need to enter a screen time passcode, and then just reset them. But keep in mind, this will reset everything. It will reset, for instance, your Apple Pay, your key, your passes, your data, all of those different things, which is a big pain. And basically, you just want the camera to be reset. So I would highly recommend just going into the camera settings themselves, maybe looking up on Google or on YouTube, what are some good camera settings for your iPhone, and just mimicking those settings instead of going through the nuclear option of resetting all of your settings.